Good governance isn't bureaucracy. It is the documentation. This documentation makes your legal protections real. A well-governed business entity has 5 core components. 1. You must maintain a current, comprehensive operating agreement or trust document. For an LLC, the operating agreement defines membership interests and voting rights. It also defines profit distribution, management authority, and what happens when a member exits, dies, or becomes incapacitated. For a trust, the trust document defines the trustee's authority. It also defines the beneficiary's rights and the terms of distribution. 2. You must keep regular meeting documentation or written consents. Major decisions should be documented in writing. This includes taking on debt, entering significant contracts, admitting new members, and changing management. Annual written consents or meeting minutes serve as evidence. They prove that the entity operates independently. 3. Each entity should have separate financial accounts. Indeed, each must have its own bank account. Transactions between entities should be documented at market terms. These include loans, rent, and management fees. They must be processed through those accounts. 4. You must maintain current state compliance. Annual reports must be filed, and a registered agent maintained. All state fees must be paid. Remember, entities that lapse lose their protections. 5. You must have defined decision-making authority. Who can bind the entity? Who can sign contracts? Who can authorize expenditures above a certain threshold? These authorities should be documented in the operating agreement. They must be followed consistently. For holding entities specifically, you must define clearly what the holding entity owns. You must show how it receives income from subsidiaries. Finally, define how distributions flow. What if the holding company loans money to an operating subsidiary? You must document the note. You must also charge a market interest rate. These aren't formalities for their own sake. They are the evidence that makes the structure real when it's challenged. Subscribe to our channel. Learn how to maintain governance that protects your structure long-term.